Here's how to detox smokers' lungs. 1. Eat raw honey every day. Anecdotal evidence abounds that a teaspoon of raw honey a day keeps lung cancer away. 2. Avoid mucus-forming foods. Processed meat, dried and frozen convenience foods, fast foods, and dairy and non-dairy confections trigger mucus production. 3. Consume chlorophyll-rich foods. Juiced wheatgrass, spirulina, chlorella, blue-green algae, and sprouted seeds and nuts not only cleanse, but also, more importantly, increase the body's oxygen uptake by producing more blood. 4. Breathe deep. Smoking damages the lungs' air sacs. These tiny bags that inflate and deflate as gases are exchanged take the most toll from cigarette smoke. When they are irritated, the walls collapse so they become bigger, making it difficult for the smoker to take deep breaths, which eventually results to breathlessness as air sac damage advances. 5. Get a massage. Massage distributes lymph evenly throughout the body. 6. Cleanse more effectively using herbs.